Fill in the blank so that the resulting statement is true. X over 5 divided by x over 3. So I have division here. I have to change the division to what? Multiplication. So I have to flip. You have to flip this. This become in the bottom and this become in the top. Okay? So when you flip it, can I cancel the x with the x?
Yes.
Yes. So what's left?
3 over 5.
3 over 5. So that's your answer in the bottom here. 3 over 5. Easy? Next question. Next question. Factor completely. Here I have, do you notice a number here that's same?
Yes. The number
What? 16 and 16. So take 16 outside. And what's left?
of y squared
Minus x squared. This is called difference of what? Difference of squares, correct. So it's going to be y x plus
negative.
minus. That's it. That's the answer. Easy. Next one.
Just a second. Well, easy.
17. This is complex what?
Rational expression.
Expression. 10 over x plus x over 10. So I'm going to write it down here. 10 over x plus x over 10. I need to make common a denominator, right?
Yes.
How can I get common denominator? Do I have 10 in the left side? No, I don't have. So I have to add 10 here. If you play in the bottom,
Okay, the top.
okay, I have x here. Do I have x in the other side? No, I have to add x here. Is this clear?
Yes. Clear.
So when you add this in here and there, then you have to multiply. So you, since you have same common denominator, you just put the common denominator is 10x. The top is going to be what? 100
plus x squared.
plus x squared, because 10 times 10 is 100. X times x give you x a squared. Clear?
Yes.
Now this is the top. We play with the top first, right?
Yes.
We're doing the top. Now we need to do the bottom, right? Now I put the same thing. X over 10 minus 10 over x. Now I have x here. Do I have x here?
No.
So you have to add. If you play in the bottom, now I have 10 here on the left side. Do I have 10 on the right side? No. So you have to add 10. Multiply times 10. If you multiply times 10 in the bottom, you multiply 10 in the bottom, in the top. So x times x, x squared. 10 times 10, 100. So it's going to be 10x. Now remember, the top, this is the top, and this is the bottom. Remember, the bottom is what? It's division, right?
Yes.
So I have to change division to what? Multiplication. So you have to flip it, right?
Yes.
So I flipped it. It becomes 10x over x squared minus 100. Can I cancel? Yes or no?
Yes.
Cancel what with what?
10x
with 10x. So what's left? 100 plus x squared over x squared minus 100. Can I factor the one in the bottom?
Yes.
It become what? X squared minus 10 to the power of 2. So you can get the bottom is going to be x plus 10, x minus 10. and the top stayed the same because there is no change. I cannot factor the top. Easy? Copy or it's okay?
See the top story.
Okay,
Done.
done?
Yes.
Okay, next question. 18. Factor the trinomial. Check the factorization using FOIL multiplication. X squared plus 8x plus 45. 45 can be what? Can be 45 times 1, can be 39 times 5, 15 times 3. I need the total of how much?
18.
18x. Which one will give you 18? The sum 18.
15 and
The only one that gives you this is 15 and 3. So you put 15 and 3. Don't forget x and x. To check the answer, just do the happy face. So this gives you 15x, this 3x. Their total is how much?
18x.
Okay, easy.
Easy.
Let's move to the next one. Multiply as indicated.
Any 19 Muhammad is top.
19 was us. So x squared minus 25 become x minus 5, x plus 5. What about the bottom? X plus 2, x minus 5. Now can I cancel x minus 5 to x minus 5? Yes. And what's left? X plus 5 over x plus 2. Okay, that's it. Easy. Number 20. Divide the polynomial by monomial. This is very easy. All you have to do is just take this and put it under each numerator. Okay, can you see that?
Yes.
So, is this clear or not clear?
So clear, inshallah.
So you can see here, I put it A under beneath.
Yes.
So you have to divide it 3 times. And that will be the answer. 8a square b minus 5a minus 6b. That's it. Easy. Next one. Okay, next one is cancelled. So don't worry about this. Number 21. Cancel 21. Cancel 22. Now let's go for 23. Factor the difference of two squares. 9x squared minus 64. So 9 is what by what? 3 times? 3 times 3. And x squared is what by what?
X by
X times x. And 64 is what by what?
8 times
8 times 8. 1 time plus, 1 times minus. Easy?
Easy.
Next question. Fill in the blank. The first step in finding the least common denominator is to do what? You have to factor what? What do you have to factor? Denominators, right? That's the first step. Okay? That's the answer. Next question. A larger rectangle formed by a number of smaller rectangles is shown. The area of a rectangle are shown. So the area here inside, let me remove this so you can see it clearly, okay? The area of a rectangle are shown. Factor the sum of the area of the smaller rectangles to determine the dimension of the larger rectangle. He wants to know what is the dimension of this large. Dimension means length and the width. That's what means dimension. Okay. So what is the length? Do you know the length? I can help you with this. We know that this one is y squared. The area here inside is what? Y squared. So this one is going to be what? This side.
Y.
And this side.
Y.
If this is y squared, what is the length here?
Also
Y.
Y.
And this, what's the length here?
Y.
Y. If this is
7Y.
7y. So which one is 7 and which one is y?
Y.
This is a 7
Yeah, this one's
and this is the
Y.
y. If this is 7y, which one is the y? Which one is the...
The 7 on the left and the Y in the...
Do you see this, guys, or you don't see it? So this, remember we said this y, and this was going to be y, and this 7. What about this one?
Same.
Y, 7. Y, 7. What about here? This one we said what? Y, correct? What about this one? 7, 7, because 7 times 7 give you 49.
7 squared.
And this one 7, 7. This one 7, 7. Right? What about here? 7. What about here?
Y.
Y. This one?
Also Y.
Y. So I want to know the length and the width. What do you think the length will be? It's going to be y plus 7. How many y's you have?
You have 2Y.
So you say 2y plus 7. That's the length. Is this clear?
Sure.
And this is y, 7, 7, 7. How many 7 do you have? 3 times 7?
21.
21. So it's going to be y plus
7.
21. 21 here. So the dimension, this is the length and this is the width. Clear?
Clear, inshallah.
It's a good one, right? You have to think about it. It's like a puzzle. You like puzzles?
Huh?
Puzzles.
No.
Okay, so let's go for the next one. Number 26. Fill in the blank so that the resulting statement is true. Okay, let me erase this so it will be clear for you. Okay. An equivalent expression for 2 over 2 21x with the denominator of denominator. What's the denominator here means? What's the denominator means? Means the bottom, right? So the top is 2 over 21x equal is going to be 42x squared. Correct? We said the denominator can be obtained by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by, so what did I do for the 21x to make it 42x squared? The Ratif Cam, what number did I multiply?
2x.
Multiply times 2x. If you play in the bottom, you play in top, so you have to multiply the top by 2x. You're going to get what? 4x. So that's your answer. So you put here, multiply by 2x. He doesn't want how much is the top. He just wants to know how much, what number you're going to multiply. So your answer is what?
2x.
2x. Clear?
Clear, inshallah.
Next, factor the trinomial. 6x squared plus 13x minus 28. Okay, this by trial and error. Okay, so you have 6x squared plus 13x minus 28. He's telling you the first parenthesis is 3x minus 4. What do you think the second one will be? Of course, 6 here, right? You put 3 here. What are you going to put here?
2x.
2x. You have 28 here. You used 4. 28 divided by 4?
Plus
7. It's going to be plus or minus?
7. Plus.
Plus or minus?
Plus.
Type. Now we have to do the happy face to make sure that we are correct. So it's going to get negative 8x, 21x. How much you get?
Okay.
How much? Do you get 13x? Yes. You're right. Okay. Clear or not clear? Remember, the happy face helps you a lot. Make happy face. Smiling face. Okay?
Okay.
28 cancel. So how many cancel now?
4.
4?
3.
3 or 4?
4 days.
4?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. So how many now we have total?
6.
You cancel me.
Okay. So next one, number 29. Yalla, 29. Who can tell me what's read 29? Ya Turki.
29. Fill in the blank so that strong statement is true. It's customary to write the terms of the polynomial in the order of descending powers of the variable. This is called the form of polynomial.
What's mean descending? Is this descending?
Yes.
Or this is descending?
This is the second one.
Second one is descending?
Yes.
So this one is called descending, this one. So this one descending. So that mean what? Standard. So you put here standard. Oh, polynomial. What this mean? Means you have x to the power 4. What will be the next x?
X to the power 4.
What's the next one? What's the next one?
1.
What's the next one?
0.
Is this clear? X to the power of 0, how much?
1.
Okay. Next one. Factor the greatest common factor from the polynomial. Y squared minus 3y. Who can tell me what's the greatest common factor?
Y.
Y. What's left?
Y.
Minus 3.
That's it. Easy.
Yes.
Yalla, next one. Divide by synthetic division. Do you remember synthetic division?
Yes.
Now, first, you have to ask yourself, is this in order? Order to the power, right?
Yeah.
According to the power. You have to put it in power. X3, 3, 2, 1, and here is 0. So you put the numbers here. 4,
2.
negative 5, 6,
X minus 4.
minus 4. And here x minus 2. What's mean x minus 2? Means you're going to divide by what?
2.
By 2, because x equal what?
2.
2. Now, what's the first step? Bring the 2 down. Multiply 2 times 4. Give you what?
8.
8. Negative 5 times 8?
3.
Negative 5 plus 8? 3. 2 times 3?
6.
6 times plus 6?
12.
2 times 12?
24. It gives you 12.
So the answer, this is called what? Is called what?
Main.
Remainder. Now you started with x to the power of what?
3.
So this will be x to the power of what?
2.
2 plus 3
X.
x plus
Plus
12 plus
plus 20
over
over 2.
all of it.
X makes 2.
X minus 2. Is this clear?
So
Copy.
Record بس دقيقة دكتور.
Finish? Next question. I'm going to zoom in because this one needs a little bit of more work. Okay, here's multiplication, and we have here division. When you change division to multiplication, what do you do?
Change.
You flip.
Yes.
Type. Can you help me with this?
Yes.
I need to factor this, right? What about this one? I need to factor this, right? What about this one? I have to factor this one, right?
Yes.
Yalla, help me to factor this. Yalla.
Okay.
This will be what?
3A.
3A, A. I need 8. Where should I put the 3? Here, right? You put 1 here. 3 times 3, 9. Take away 1. So this is going to be plus, this A minus. Yalla, help me with the second one. Yalla, help me. 2 A and A. 18. I need the total to be 15. 18 can be 18 and can be 2 times 9 or 3 times 6. What about if I put 3 times 6? This give you how much? 3. This give you 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Plus plus, wala plus minus, wala minus minus, plus plus. Yalla, help me with the last one. Yalla, Muhammad. 6 and 3. I need 11.
6 and 3 are either.
Anybody.
6A.
No.
6A.
2A and 3A.
2A and 3A. Where should I put the other 3? Here or here?
With
Here, صح.
Yeah.
You put 1 here. All of them A plus
Positive.
3 times 3,
9.
2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. صح. Now I'm done with the factoring. Now everything will be okay now. No, I'm sorry. That we need to do the top, right?
Yes.
Need to factor the top. What is coming in top?
A.
No, B.
B.
What's left?
A.
A squared.
Plus
Plus 6.
6. What about this?
A.
A. What's left?
A plus 6.
This I cannot factor because this. Okay. So now I'm going to be writing it down as it is, divided by
3A.
3A plus 1,
A minus 3.
A minus 3 times A
Times A plus 6.
A plus 6
Over 2A.
2A
Plus 3.
plus 3
A plus 6.
A plus 6. Now we're going to have to do flip.
Yes.
2A. plus
Okay. 2A plus 3
3A plus 1.
3A plus 1. And in the bottom,
AB squared.
AB
cube.
A cube.
A, B, cube. Now, it's time to do the killing. You like the kill?
Yes.
You like to kill?
Live.
Okay, let's kill. What should we kill now?
A plus 6.
A plus 6 with A plus 6. Good.
Also 2A
2A with 2A. Anything else?
3A plus 1 with 3A plus 1.
3A plus 1 with 3A plus 1.
And B would be
No.
And yes, B cube with B. So what is left? If you cancel this, you
A
get
squared
B
plus
squared.
6.
That's what you're gonna get, right?
Yeah.
Let
A
me write
squared plus
it
6
down here
over,
so nobody is
AB
okay.
squared.
So anything else to cancel?
Okay.
So we cancel this with this. So what's left?
A squared
A squared plus
plus
6
6 over.
Don't forget the A, right? We have A
Okay.
over
over A negative 3
A minus 3
Times
times B
AB squared.
times
That
A B squared, correct?
squared.
Because we didn't cancel. Oh, we can cancel the A with the A, right?
Yes.
Yes, we can cancel the A with A, right?
So we don't
This A with this A. So one more step is going to be A squared plus 6 over
over
A minus 3 times what?
B squared.
B
B squared. That's your final answer. Can I cancel the 3 with the 6?
No,
Why?
because
They are married, right?
Yeah.
Even though they are in bad mood, but negative here and positive here, but we cannot cancel. So that's the answer. Easy?
Inshallah.
Copy?
it's
That's question number 32. Next question,
let's go.
30,
33.
33. Who's going to read 33? Ahmed.
So the rational equation. The equation has no solution, so stay.
Okay. Means solve the equation means he wants what? He's looking for what?
For X.
For x. How can I find x here? First, we have to get rid of the a, the denominator, because we don't like denominators here. This is equations, huh? This is what's the greatest common factor here? This one. 9, correct?
9.
What's left? X plus
Plus
3. And we have here x plus 3, and we have here 9. If I want to get rid of the denominator, I multiply the whole thing times what?
9x plus 3.
9x plus 3. Is this clear? So how many times I have to multiply it?
3 times.
3 times. You like this fountain? You like the fountain?
Yes.
Nice fountain, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now if I multiply this times the first one, what cancel? What do you cancel? You cancel this, correct?
Yeah.
This whole thing with this, right?
Yes.
So what's left?
8.
8 equal. If you multiply this times this one, what's left?
Only
The 9. Correct?
Yes.
8 times 9. If you multiply this, let me put it in color because sometimes people, they don't see. If you multiply this times this, what is cancelled? The 9 with the 9. What's left?
X plus 3.
And
4.
the 4. Is this clear?
Yes.
Do you remember your multiplication table? 8 times 9 is how much?
72.
Very good. You're smart. MashaAllah.
Allah alayk.
Do you remember your multiplication table? 3 times 4?
Yes. 4x plus 12.
Okay. Now I will combine like terms. Negative 12 with 72. How much?
6.
How much?
60.
60?
Yes.
Okay. I'll put 60. Can I move the 60 to the other side?
Yes.
It become what?
Minus.
Equal what?
Minus 52.
Okay. Up to here is clear. So it's going to be what? Minus 52 equal what?
Equal
Minus 4x.
Minus
4x.
4x. And divide by 4, negative 4 both sides. So x equal how much?
30.
13. Easy as easy.
Easy.
Any questions? Piece of cake, right?
Yeah. Inshallah.
Piece of cake or not piece of cake?
Bullish.
Next one.
Bismillah.
Next one is 34. Read Turkey.
What is 4?
Yes.
Find the domain, the given rational function.
Okay. As soon as it comes and the word domain means any number divided by 0 is what?
Equal
On A.
and find.
So we don't want anything in the bottom here that makes it undefined, 0. Type. In this case, I have to factor the bottom. So if you factor the bottom, what you're gonna get?
5x.
5x or x. What else? I need negative 18. What about 4 and 2? Negative and positive. Okay? So I factor the bottom. Now I make the bottom or the denominator in math does not equal to what? 0. So 5x equal what? Negative 2. So x equal what?
Equal
Is this clear?
Okay.
So that's mean all. Now next one is going to be what? X minus 4 does not equal what?
0.
If x does not equal what?
4.
4. So that means negative 2 and 5 is not allowed. Until where?
-7.
Union. From negative 2 to 5 over 5 to where?
4.
4. Remember, when I do like this, that means it's not included. Do you understand?
Yes.
This not included. Union from where to where?
4 to infinity.
To positive infinity. Do I have to put the positive?
No.
No, because it means positive. That's the answer. Easy? Easy? Qabil. Now? $35. Read يا أحمد.
Factor the polynomial.
Factor the polynomial. Okay, how many terms here?
4 terms.
4 terms. So what type of factoring is this? When it's 4 terms?
Grouping.
Grouping. Very good. You're a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy,
All right. So now look here. I have term number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can I take the first 2 together?
Yes.
No, I don't like that. So what should we do?
Take the first with the third.
Take the first and the third, right? And take the what? The second with? Good boy. Equal. So x cubed minus 4x cubed y. This together. Plus minus 2 plus. Good boy. Next, I will do the greatest common factor. What's the greatest common factor here?
X cube.
X cubed. What's left? 1.
1 minus 4y.
4y. what is the greatest common factor here?
-2,
What's left?
1.
-4.
Ah, now do we have blah blah blah?
Yes.
We have
What's the blah blah blah?
1.
1 -4y.
Good boy, good boy,
Math it over.
good boy. So 1 minus 4y. What's left?
1 over.
Ah, good?
Good.
Good boy, good boy. That's it, easy?
ايزي ان شاء الله بس بدون جود بوي.
But Allah can. All right, let's move to the next one.
Let's move.
Okay, let's move.
Ready, go.
Let's do this one and take a break, okay?
دكتور اللي بقى اصلا ثلاث. يعني خلصنا نمشي.
ما بقى شيء.
So go now.
ايه
Okay.
خلصنا نمشي.
خلصنا نمشي.
لا نمشي